Hey Justin, what have you been up to recently?
Hey Teresa, I've been busy planning for my Sec 1 orientation.
Oh, speaking of Sec 1 orientation, my sister just got her PSLE results and is deciding on which secondary school to go to. She aspires to be a student leader and wants to go to a secondary school that provides opportunity to enhance and improve leadership skills. Since you're a student councillor in Hai Sing Catholic School, why not you tell me more about Hai Sing's leadership programs?
Sure, every year, appointed student leaders attend a leadership training program called SAIL. This is Hai Sing's signature program for developing leaders with a heart to serve and harmonious teams that envision common goals.
Whoa, slow down. How am I supposed to remember all this information you've just told me?
Don't worry, you can scan the QR code shown on the screen to find out more.
Thanks so much. These slides are so informative. I've never realized how much thought the school puts in to its camps to help students bond. So what happens during these camps?
We had many activities with different purposes, and it was so exciting to find out the purpose behind each game. My favorite one was when we went outdoors to cook. We had to practice our communication skills and learn how to capitalize on our team members' strengths.
That sounds like so much fun. But hold on, what if my sister is not appointed as a student leader? Does that mean she won't have the opportunity to hone her leadership skills?
Haha, don't tell me you forgotten about the paddle program we attended when we were Sec 1.
Oh, right. It was so memorable. Let's see what our Sec 1 juniors thought of it.
Hey Jim, how are you? Why do you look so glum? I remember facilitating your class for the summer orientation and you were so bright and outgoing. What happened?
Oh, hey Ashley. I was recently appointed to be a class chairperson, but I don't think I can take on that role.
Why? What's wrong?
I don't think I have the qualities of a leader. I think I'm not as outgoing and sociable as a leader.
To be honest, I faced the same problem as you when I first came to this school. But through a leadership program, I realized that everyone can have the ability to lead if they have the heart to serve.
Huh? The leadership program taught you how to be a companionable leader?
It taught me to be so much more. It's called Paddle. I'm sure you must be wondering what this magical program is all about. Well, Paddle is a program designed by our Learning for Life program teachers for all Secondary 1 students. Through this program, I learned the importance of self-leadership, which is to be able to lead myself first and then gradually being able to lead my peers as well.
So what are some things that Paddle emphasizes?
Paddle teaches you to be more confident in yourself, build courage, and more values to lead others. Leading with humility, as well as to look at things from a different perspective.
Oh, that sounds really useful for a leader.
On top of that, the paddle sessions are really interesting. I really enjoyed the fun and creative hands-on activities. We played this game called Split and Steal. It was an activity which taught us how our decisions could affect ourselves and others as well.
Wow, that's great.
Not only that, the teachers will often use narratives to share the lesson points. My class found the lessons really engaging.
I'm really excited for the paddle sessions already. I'm looking forward to having a fruitful and memorable journey ahead in Hai Sing. It sounds like the paddle program can help me figure out how to be a more confident person and leader.
Definitely. The paddle sessions help me feel more at ease about being in Hai Sing, and I am truly proud to be a Hai Sing leader. I'm sure you'll find your way too.
I can't wait for the paddle sessions to start. Just the thought of it is giving me such a buzz. Lee, I have to go. It was nice talking to you. Thanks for all the information.
If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Your senior is always here to help.
So, I think that our school's SAIL and paddle program are key in molding and nurturing aspiring leaders. I'm sure your sister and all incoming Sec 1 students will grow in confidence, and not only in their leadership skills, but in their whole secondary school life.
Oh, thank you so much for sharing with me, Justin. I'm sure after I tell all my sisters this, she'll be more excited about choosing Hai Sing as her secondary school. Thank you so much for sharing.
It is my pleasure.
And we hope to see all of you
In Hai Sing Catholic School
in 2022.
2022.
Bye!
Concur with what the seniors said. I feel like I have grown in my decision making after having undergone the paddle workshop.
For me, I think my CCA has helped to expand my social network beyond the classroom
And I felt that I've made quite a few good friends from my CCA. Let's see, what CCAs do they offer next year?